What a lovely afternoon. This is a great coffee house. It's so nice to just sit by the window, read my book, and watch the world go by. This sparkling apple juice is also very refreshing. I'll just take another sip. Oh no! Oh my goodness!
Is everything all right over there?
I am so clumsy. I just knocked my glass over. My drink is everywhere. It's all over the table.
Oh dear, that's a shame.
I am so sorry. I hope none of it splashed on you. I am such an idiot. I wasn't looking at what I was doing.
Don't worry at all. Nothing came on me. These things happen to everyone. It's just a little accident.
It's a huge, sticky mess. I need to clean it up quickly before it drips all over the floor.
I can't believe I did that. How embarrassing. The whole table is covered in apple juice.
Please, don't feel embarrassed. It's really not a big deal. The most important thing is that the glass didn't break. Are you okay?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm just a bit shocked and very clumsy. I need to find something to clean this up with.
Can I help you? I can see a dispenser with some napkins on my table over here. I will grab a handful for you.
Oh, would you? That is incredibly kind of you. Thank you so much. I don't want to cause any more trouble.
It is absolutely no trouble at all. Here, take these. There are quite a lot. We can try to mop up the worst of it before it spreads any further.
Thank you. You are very kind. I am so sorry for this disturbance.
Here are the napkins. Let's just start by dabbing the big puddle in the middle of the table.
Good idea. I'll start on this side, and you can start on that side. Wow, there was a lot of juice in that glass. These napkins are getting soaked already.
It is a big spill. Let's just try to create a little barrier to stop the juice from dripping off the edge of the table onto the floor.
You are very practical and calm in a crisis. I am just panicking.
It's not a crisis. It's just a little bit of sticky juice. There is no need to panic. We just need to work quickly. Okay, I think we have stopped it from dripping.
That's good. But we are going to need a lot more napkins. This little pile is not enough.
You are right. This is only a temporary solution. I think the table is going to be very sticky even if we wipe it with napkins.
Oh no, my book! I completely forgot about my book. It was on the table right next to the glass.
Let me see it. Let's assess the damage.
Is it ruined? It's a library book. I will have to pay for it if it is ruined. This day is getting worse and worse.
Let's have a look. The front cover is a little bit wet and sticky, but it's a hardcover book with a shiny surface, so I think the cover will be fine once we wipe it dry.
What about the pages inside? Has the juice gone inside the book?
Let me check carefully. You were very lucky. It looks like the book was closed, so the pages inside are completely dry. Just the outside is a bit wet. It's not a disaster at all.
Oh, what a relief. Thank you for checking. And what about my trousers? I think some of the juice splashed on my leg.
Yes, you have a small wet patch on your knee, but it's just apple juice. It will dry very quickly, and it shouldn't leave a stain. It's really okay.
So my book and my trousers are safe. That is good news. But we still have this huge sticky mess on the table. We have used all of your napkins. We have, and the table is still very wet. I don't think more napkins are the answer. I think we need a proper cloth and some water. You are right. We can't clean this properly by ourselves. We should probably let the staff here at the coffee house know what has happened. I agree. They will have the right cleaning supplies, and it is their table after all. They should know about the spill. Should I go up to the counter and tell them? I feel so embarrassed to have to explain this. Don't be. I am sure this happens every single day in a busy cafe. The staff will be very used to it. Look, that waiter is walking past our table now. I will get his attention for you. Oh, would you? Thank you. You are being so helpful. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Could we have a little bit of help over here, please?
The waiter is coming over to our table now. He looks very friendly.
I will try to explain. Hello, I am so sorry. I have made a terrible mess. I accidentally knocked over my drink.
He is smiling. He is saying, "Please do not worry about it at all. These things happen all the time. The most important thing is that you are okay."
That is very kind of him. He is not angry at all.
Of course not. It is just a normal part of his job. He says he will be right back with a cloth to clean the table properly for you.
He is so nice. The staff here are wonderful. I feel much less embarrassed now.
Good. You shouldn't feel embarrassed at all.
He is coming back now with a spray bottle and a big blue cloth. He is spraying the table and wiping it all down.
There. The table is now perfectly clean and dry. It looks as good as new. The crisis is officially over.
The table is clean, my book is safe, and I am not in trouble. I feel so much better. I really must thank you again for all your help.
It was honestly my pleasure. It was no trouble at all.
You were so calm and kind. I was panicking, but you were so practical. You are a very good person to have around in a small crisis.
Thank you. I will take that as a compliment.
My name is Speaker One, by the way. It's very nice to meet you, even in these strange circumstances.
It's very nice to meet you too, Speaker One. My name is Speaker Two.
It is a real pleasure to meet you, Speaker Two. Thank you for being such a kind stranger.
And you. It's nice to know that there are still polite and friendly people in the world.
Well, now that your table is clean, the only problem is that your glass is empty. You didn't get to finish your drink.
No, I only had 1 or 2 sips before my accident. But that's okay. I don't think I want another one now.
Ah, look, the friendly waiter is coming back to our table.
He is asking me if I would like another sparkling apple juice. Would you like me to bring you another one?
That's very nice of him. What are you going to say?
I think I will say no, thank you. I don't want to risk spilling another one.
Wait just a moment. I have an idea. It was my pleasure to help you clean up. And now I would like to buy you a new drink to replace the one that you spilled.
Oh no, you absolutely cannot do that. That is far too kind. I cannot accept that.
Please, I insist. It would make me very happy. Let me buy you a new apple juice.
That is an incredibly generous offer, but I must politely refuse. You have already helped me more than enough.
Thank you again for the very kind offer of a new drink, but I am really fine.
Okay, if you are absolutely sure, I will not insist.
So, you are also sitting here by yourself, reading a book? It seems we had the same idea for a perfect Saturday afternoon.
We did. It's my favorite weekend activity. What is the book that you are reading? The one that had the lucky escape from the apple juice?
I am reading a historical mystery novel called The Last Secret of Vienna. It is absolutely fantastic.
You are joking. I have that book on my table right now. I am about halfway through it.
I don't believe it. What an incredible coincidence. That is the book that my friend recommended to me last weekend.
It is a brilliant story, isn't it? I am enjoying it so much. The historical details are amazing.
They are, and the mystery is so clever. I have no idea how it is going to end. Please don't tell me any spoilers.
I can't believe we are reading the same book. What a small world. And don't worry, your secret is safe with me. I would never spoil the ending for you.
Thank you. This is such a funny situation. I spill my drink, a kind stranger helps me, and it turns out we are reading the exact same book.
It is a very funny coincidence. It seems we have very similar taste in literature.
We do. Well, I think after all this excitement, it is probably time for me to go home. My book is still a little bit damp, and I should probably let it dry out properly.
That's a good idea. You can put some paper towels between the cover and the first page.
Thank you for the tip. It was so very nice to meet you, Speaker 2. You have turned a small, embarrassing accident into a very pleasant encounter.
It was very nice to meet you too, Speaker 1. I am glad I could help. I hope you enjoy the rest of the book.
I will, and you too. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Goodbye.
You too. Goodbye.